Okay guys, so this is the continuation of OpenClaw series, and today I will talk about what I have done for my automation bit. So as you know, I do blogging, I do content creation. Now as OpenClaw has come in, I'm trying to automate all my tasks. Let me show you what I have done. I am in the Hostinger panel. So as you know, I'm using Hostinger VPS to run my OpenClaw agents, and I will log into my OpenClaw. I'll click on the link so you can just directly log in through Hostinger, and I am in my OpenClaw. Now I was changing my OpenAI LLM models to make my cost low, which I will talk around it later, but let me show you what I have done as an automation. Let me give a command. So can you post the next article to UK diaries as okay, this is my command. Let's push the send button and let's see what happens. So it is thinking, and boom, the article is published. So drafted day 4, build day, the 20-minute UK system that keeps your money organized. So I've created an automated website called UK Diaries, and it is doing me a plan where it is posting all the articles. But what happened is it is unable to log into my WordPress as my JWT token has expired, which is the way I have authenticated my website. So I will just reset it and the post will be published. I'll jump on to my website's word, and this is to show you what all post it has already drafted. See, this is drafted by the AI grocery savings. So this is a 15-day series. My agent has suggested that I should go with the 15-day series of finance tips within UK, and it has already drafted 3 posts. This is my 4th one. I'm going to use this for automating all my blogs, and this is a trial which I'm going to use it as a use case for this series. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and I will be sharing full course around it very soon. Thank you.